Hey everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to do a review and we're going to unbox this thing right here. It's a mystery box that I bought from Walmart. It contains 3 or 4 factory sealed packs and we're looking for, again, it's mystery, so we don't know what's inside, but we're looking for mystery packs in each box from Hobby's hottest releases. It has Panini Prism back in 2016 to 2017. There is the Elite in back in 2012 to 2013, and there's an Upper Deck back in 2009. There's also Kevin Garnett. And I actually looked at the distributor or the maker of this mystery box. I actually saw MJ Holding Company LLC. It's the company that distribute retail blasters or retail boxes across Target, Walmart, and Barnes Nobles and other retailers out there. So MJ Holding Company is the distributor for this mystery box. So let's get cracking. Yeah, this cost $30 from my local Walmart. I picked this up along with a few of hangers and blaster boxes that I bought, which I'm going to be unboxing and doing a review, by the way. So if you guys are want those videos, or if you guys would like to see soccer videos and football and basketball videos, click like and subscribe, and turn that notification on for future video releases. So again, this is a sealed box from MJ Holding. It's called Mystery Boxes. I actually don't know what this thing has, but this is the packaging right here. It looks intriguing, so I grabbed one just in case. But there was restock, so there's probably like 20 boxes or at least 40 boxes at Walmart today. So let's see. My girlfriend picked this box up, so yeah, it's heavy. There's 3 packs in here, so let's see what we pull. All right, wow. Okay, we have Illusions back in. We have an Illusions box back in 2019 to 2020. Okay. We have an Illusions. This is a recent one. Yeah, this is this year, 2021 to 2022, or 2020 to 2021. But I've been ripping this packs this year. So, and we have a 2021 Chronicles draft pick. So I think the box is misleading because it says Upper Deck. You can only distribute Upper Deck products, and I believe you have to get the license. So yeah, this is way the advertisement is off. But regardless, we're gonna rip this 3 packs from the mystery box, 2019 to 2020. And then 2020 to 21 Illusions and 2021 Chronicles. So again, we'll start backwards. Okay, we'll start with the 2021 first, the small one. Let's see what's inside. I hope everyone's having a happy Thanksgiving weekend. I know, and World Cup weekend as well. I saw Argentina won against Mexico. Was a close fight. Congratulations, Argentina fans out there. And Messi is deadly on the soccer field. Messi was, yeah, he was great. Harrison Barnes from the Kings, right there. Yeah, let's put our top cam. I don't know if you guys like the top cam. Let me know. But that's it right there. We have Kelly Oubre Jr. This is Illusions back in the day. I actually did not purchase cards back in 2020, 19, 20. Back in 2020, in 2021. I started buying cards this year, the beginning of this year, actually 2-3 months ago. Kylie Oubre, but we do have an insert right there to see who we have. Next, Jarrett Allen. Who is this guy? I like the throw though. Yeah, I don't know this guy. All right, We have a Josh Jackson Pistons. Don't know him, but it's a pink insert. And we have Zion Williamson. I'll take that. And we have Josh Green rookie card. Okay, not too bad. Now we are going to the 2021 Chronicles, 15 cards, and look for exclusive playbook base and bronze parallels. We have Jalen Suggs from Gonzaga and OSU, or Cade Cunningham from OSU. So let's see. There you go. We pulled a Cade Cunningham. This is 15 cards. We pulled our Cade Cunningham, a hit. Corners are horrible. Yeah, that corner right there is horrible. But at least we pulled a Cade Cunningham in OSU uniform. Yeah, that. Okay. We have Cade Cunningham, and guess who we pulled? Jalen Suggs, rookie card, and also the Cade Cunningham is a rookie card as well. The corners are horrible on that Cade Cunningham card. Wow. Yeah. All right, so Jalen Suggs, rookie. There you go. We have rookie Kai Jones. That's a good one. Luminance, not numbered. We have rookie Greg Brown. Okay. We have a Cade Cunningham NBA hoops. As you all, you've been watching my YouTube videos, my channel. I actually like NBA hoops. This looks like exactly like an NBA hoops design. So I like that one. That's a hit. Okay. Our first mosaic, Jonathan Kuminga. Nah, he's alright. First insert, not numbered. We have Jalen Green, baby. There you go. That's a hit. Luminance rookie card. Okay. Edges, corners are perfect. It's preserved. Okay. Actually, we're gonna arrange this right now. Okay, there you go. Is this Scotty Barnes? Wait. Oh my goodness. We have a Scotty Barnes. There you go. Wow. All the rookies from this mystery box or mystery pack. And this is the 2021 Chronicles draft picks. This thing is loaded of rookies. Now I want a hobby box of that pack. We have Jonathan Kuminga again. We have an NBA hoops, Jared Butler. We have Kai Jones, Texas. See, we'll add all of these to my PC. Neemias Quetta. We have Jaden Springer. Herbert Jones. We have Herbert Jones, guys. I do collect Herbert Jones. So, that's a hit. And we have Jared Butler, rookie. Okay, that's not bad. Okay. All right, so this is a 12 card pack, 2019 to 2020 NBA Illusions. Look for orange and teal parallels. Looks like they haven't changed a bit. It's always the orange teal stuff. Come on, Panini. We need innovation. Okay, this is a 12 card. That's a even number. Okay. Yes, this is the 2019 to 2020 Illusions. We have DeAndre Ayton, Dante DiVincenzo, Christian Wood, Andrew Wiggins, Andre Drummond. Our first, ooh, okay. These are insert. I like this one. Paul Pierce. Career lineage. Right there. It looks nice. Okay. Ooh, I like the grooves. The surface has grooves. Corners, edges are good. Yeah, I like Paul Pierce. So he's a Hall of Famer, so there you go. Jamal Murray. Cat. Ooh, Jimmy Butler. Nick Alexander Walker. Where'd he go? Gotta look him up. We have Jordan. Ooh, Jordan Poole rookie card. First ever rookie card of Jordan Poole. I didn't know he played for where? Who's behind him? Let's see. Daniel Gafford. Where did he play for? He is wearing a I don't know where he played for. He's wearing a I think this is a G League. Yeah, this is a G League uniform. Yeah, that's the Jordan Poole rookie card. That's a good one. I'll leave right here. Okay, so we are going to actually put Jordan Poole in there. Let's leave. We're going to stop sleeve this insert right here. So we're gonna do a quick recap. All right, so quick recap from the mystery box. That not so mystery, not so mysterious. We have 2021 Illusions, 2021 Chronicles, and 2019 to 2020 Illusions. They're all Chronicles and Illusions. I don't like the Illusions line, by the way. So let's do a our hits recap right now. So we have Jimmy Butler, Herbert Jones, Kai Jones. We have an insert of Scotty Barnes right here. It's a nice card. There you go. It's Gala. That's a beautiful card. So I'll top load that. Number 4. There you go. Excuse me. We have Zion Williamson. We have Cade Cunningham. We have Jalen Suggs. We have Jalen Green. I like this Jalen Green right here. Ooh, almost dropped it. And we have Cade Cunningham again. So that pack, the 2021 Chronicles draft picks is loaded with rookies. Like Jalen Green, Jalen Suggs, and Cade Cunningham. There you go. So Jordan Poole on the side. We have. So those are top picks right here. I'm gonna sleeve our pools. So yeah, that is the review. So overall, I rate this box as because I pulled this one right here. It's an insert. It looks really cool. I like this one. Paul Pierce. I collect Paul Pierce, and we have Cade Cunningham, Scotty Barnes, Jalen Green, Jalen Suggs. Who else? Cade Cunningham. I would rate this to a 4. So not perfect because I was expecting more of like 2019 or 2018 cards, but we get it's Panini. So I don't think they have license to Upper Deck, so I don't think we can pull that. But if you guys do, let me know and comment down below. And I was expecting the 2012 or 2013, so less than 2019. I'll be happier. I probably give it more of like 4.5 stars other than 4 if I got a pack that is from that year. So regardless, this pack, the mystery box, receives a 4 stars from me. So it's a good box, and you can actually get 3 or 4 factory sealed packs right there, depending on what you get. So overall, this is a 4-star. It's because I pulled the great rookies that we're having now in year 2022. Again, 4 stars, highly recommend. If you guys could find this, yeah. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. If you guys like this video, click like, and please watch more of my videos, and click that notification button for more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. I like this Jalen Green right here. Yeah, look at these hops. And I like this Scotty Barnes too. Yeah, this mystery box is fire. So 4. It's a 4-star. It's a good box. There you go.